What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about how to delete a playlist. Let's take a look. First, you need to be logged in. You will know you're logged in if you can see your little icon image up here, and if not, it'll say sign in. Once you're logged in, we're going to go to the YouTube Studio. I like to click the little icon image and choose the third option, YouTube Studio. Once in the YouTube Studio, we have a menu on the left-hand side. You might have words. I just have images for now, but that's okay. They mean the same thing. And the third option down is playlists. Click on playlists. If you have playlists in here and you wanted to delete one, well, all you need to do is find the one you want to delete. I have one here. What? I have one video in here. I do not need that. So I'm going to click edit. Once you click edit, you're going to get the information what the video, well, should be more than one video, but if at least one video in your playlist. It has the title. It lets people know it's public. And then we also have these options right here that says shuffle play, share, and ... If you click the ... we have some other options, and the last option is delete playlist. If you click delete playlist, it's going to ask you, are you sure? Because it's permanent. It cannot be undone. Yep. So I click delete, and there we go. Let's take a look back at our playlist here. I'm going to go back to my YouTube Studio. Third one down. And I will bet that I don't have that playlist with one video anymore. And there we go. That's how you delete a playlist from your channel.